To proceed further, let us understand what is refined salt. Refined salt is made from a solution of unrefined salt with sulfuric acid or chlorine and heated to a point which removes all of its minerals and elements useful to our body. After being extracted, the salt is being processed to remove impurities and create a uniform white color, leaving behind mostly sodium chloride in an unnatural form, as the processing removes any and all nutrients from the salt. Once table salt's trace minerals and nutrients are removed, anti-caking and conditioning agents are added to make its shelf life forever. Finally, almost all of the moisture in the salt is removed in a fluidized bed dryer and under high compression and heat, which disrupts the molecular structure of salt. Iodine is also added to prevent goiter, swelling of the thyroid. However, at such a small amount of 0.01%, it's insufficient to provide for the body's iodine needs.